What's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nay. If you're new here, what's up? What are you doing? Subscribe down below. Don't forget to become part of the Peace Posse. We would love to have you. So in today's video, we are going to get this makeup look here. I am living. Let me tell you, this lip color is gorgeous. This eye, these lashes are seriously my favorite. We had an ordeal with the lashes, you'll see in the video. But yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera, and now we're going to prime. I am going to be using the Makeup Revolution concealer. I barely got this like 2 days ago, and it has changed my life. I really like it, honestly. It's very comparable to the Shape Tape, I think anyway. Today I've been feeling a little out of it. My anxiety's been kinda crazy, so hopefully doing my makeup will make it feel better. And like, I keep rubbing this eye, that's why it's like super red. If you ever like see my eye, I have a busted blood vessel, as what I have been told. In this eye, it has been like that for years, honestly. It happened after one of my heart surgeries in high school, I think, so it's just like extra red today. I don't know what's going on. Ew. I'm also gonna say don't judge me. Ew, please judge me, because what the heck? I look crazy. Whatever, judge me. This baby is well loved. This baby's well loved, let me tell you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go on in with the normal look, with one of my favorite looks, using this palette, the Jaclyn Hill palette. Yes. Now buff that into the crease. In this color here, I believe it's called Hunts. Buff this baby in. A little bit of a smaller brush, I am going to pick up this color in the outer corner. Yeah, let's see how. Sometimes what I do when I need the color to be a little bit more pigmented, I literally will stamp the shadow there and then gently buff it out in little teeny tiny circular motions, and gently blend it out. Do like a mini cut crease? Not really, cause yeah, we ain't got time for that. Maybelline Brow Precise literally, this is an eyebrow highlighter, but I find that it's literally the perfect shape for my eyeballs. So, carve it out. And yeah, okay, it is not perfect. We understand that. Extra base there, so that way when we lay down that lid color, my laundry's done. I don't know if you heard that, but so that way when we lay down that lid color, it kind of pops a little bit more, and then we'll go over it again, blending, you know, just blend your life. Eyeballs, I'm going to use this Blink and BoxyCharm palette. I will show it to you if I can, because I know it's broken. With that small little crease brush and that Roxanne color from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and then I'm just literally gonna go back out on the outer corners and buff that baby in. Two colors together, so that way it's more of a seamless transition rather than like an abrupt one, you know what I mean? Making me look all kinds crazy. I lost some of that first color, which was the color Hunts from the Jaclyn Hill palette, so I'm going to go in with that first brush and go back into my crease and kind of, yeah, go back into my crease and kind of see if I can get some of that color back. A lot more definition there. So it's taken me a second to build up that color, the outer corner, but I'm finally getting it there. So congratulations, Nadine. Crazy, this entire time my sinuses have been ridiculous because this weather is so crazy. It is like, looks like it's gonna rain 1 second and then the next second it's super hot, so it's very unpredictable and it's messing with me greatly. Bam. I feel like we should do some glitter liner. Do you think so? Heavy metal glitter liner in, what is this? It's so old, it doesn't have a thing, but I'm pretty sure it's Midnight Cowboy. To line my eyeballs, I'm using the Wet n Wild. What is this? I'm using the Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner. It is such a mission to do eyeliner on camera. No wonder I've never done this before. School's out right now, so that's probably why you hear buses, if you can hear that, because I live by a school. The Blink eyelash primer. I need to get a new one because it's running out. This mascara that I've been loving, it's from Ulta Beauty. It is called the Plush Drama Mascara, and I've been loving it. From Baddington Eyelashes, this is my first time using this lash or this brand, so I'm very excited. These are in the style Monroe, so let's go ahead and pop some glue on these babies and let them dry while I put some moisturizer and primer on my face so we can get ready for foundation. And yeah, so for face primer today, I am mixing the Maybelline Master Prime and the ColourPop All-Star primers to put on my face. Yeah, I just went and washed my hands. I'm running out of this guy and I love it. But I washed my hands so that way, I don't have any extra germs laying around. And yeah, I just love mixing these two together. But this combo for me is literally just so hydrating. I honestly don't know how I feel about these lashes. But whatever, I guess they're gonna have to do. Like, what the heck? They look so expensive, but they feel so, like, plasticky on my eyeballs. Like, I almost want to rip them off and put Ardell ones on, but I'm just waiting for the glue to dry because my eye was watering a little bit. Maybelline Matte and Poreless. Duh. Yeah, usually I mix this guy. Okay. What is it? The Maybelline L'Oreal Pro Matte. The L'Oreal Pro Matte. Yeah, so today we're just gonna wear this guy on its own. I just took those eyelashes off because they were driving me insane. I am waiting for some to dry right now. They are the Kiss lashes in the style Teddy. While they're drying, let's do concealer. I'm using the Makeup Revolution concealer, and yeah. My second time using this. So far I've been liking it. I've been priming my eyeballs with it, and it's been working out, so. Using the ColourPop No Filter setting powder, I'm just going to bake under my eyeballs. While this is baking, I'm going to pop on my eyelashes and I'll be right back. Now time for bronzer. Just bring some life. Ew, it got muddy. No Filter press setting powder, and I'm going to set the rest of my face. I'm low-key trying to hurry up because I know people are on their way home right now. Why my shirt? Shirt's all kinds of crazy, but yeah, I know people are on their way home. I'm gonna go in with the Mermaid Glow from ColourPop as well. And then we're gonna set our face with the All-Star setting spray. I was gonna say setting primer. Okay. This literally smells like ginger. Makes me feel like I'm gonna go eat some sushi. Okay. Lash line. I'm just gonna take this small little crown brush, and I'm just going to buff that Hunt's color and Roxanne on the bottom. So I'm going to take both of these highlighters from that face duo, those face duos I was using earlier, and I'm just going to pop them onto my cheeks. Our secret. Shh, don't tell nobody. I'll be right back. I'm going to be using this Artist Couture loose highlight in the shade Illuminati. And we will just take that to a whole another level. Yes. So, one more round of setting spray. So for lips, I'm kind of stuck between a rock and a hard place because I really want to use either this ultra matte lip called Love Bug. They are both from ColourPop, but yeah, the ultra matte lip in Love Bug, or the one that I've been using like every single day is Soda Pop, and that's an ultra blotted lip, which I've been loving. But I think we should put that guy down for a second, since I'm sure you will see it in another tutorial, because literally I can't keep my hands off of it. It's kind of ridiculous. Oh, hey birds, what's up? This guy, and let's see. I feel like that's so brown. I don't want brown. I'm gonna take a Lolita and top that off because that's not what I was desiring. I still don't like it. With the shade More Better, also from ColourPop, and see if it doesn't change your mind. We're like in a completely different direction here. I think I like this way better. Alright. Alright guys, well this is the final result. I really hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I really love it. I feel like that glitter made everything, made the difference. This lip I am living for. And yeah, if my hair would cooperate. But alright guys, well that completes this video. I really hope you enjoyed. I honestly am loving this look. I feel super glam and just like I feel ready to slay the day and get my laundry done and clean my room. And yeah, so please give it a big fat thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. So subscribe down below. Don't forget to become part of the Peace Posse. And I will see you in my next video. Peace and love to you always. See you later, alligator. Bye!